I've just attended the autogenous bone augmentation course with Dr. Thomas Hansler. It's been a really inspiring course. The techniques that he has shown.
It's the second time I've attended because it's that good, and I think you just get so much from it, even second time around.
And there is also a lot of hands-on element alongside the lecture component. So it really helps me to understand the theory, but also the tactile and haptic feel of how to manage bone harvesting.
I learned so much, the principles around the bone core technique and the split bone technique, and how to apply them in everyday use. It's a predictable procedure. It's made me want to attend more dental iceberg courses.
And it's been really inspiring.